I forgot to fuck War Professa. So I might run off the mouth and talk a bag of things, dog. Go check my bum buckler account. You can't make bum buckler millions like me right now. The girls them not make no comment over the picture because the girl them love my picture. Can't flap me then, can't style me, go suck on the mother. Me make $1 billion now. So you can't style me, you can't diss me, because you not make millions of dollars right now like me, dog, so.
So boy, we gonna hop out over there, right? I'ma wait for you at that corner right there. Alright? Hurry up, B. Alright. Go, boy! Come on, boy, hurry up, boy! Shit! Welcome to another episode of Culture Battles Part 17! On this episode is called The Burial because you already know the characters of Culture Battles been having some issues with people, so we're gonna put them to rest. We got Abibi in the house, we got War Professa in the house,
Jeez,
we got Rapalot in the house, and we got this dude. Who's this dude?
I didn't see no bad man. Hold on, let me take a picture for my ladies.
Who you, son? Gangsta Fish? Gangsta Shit? I don't know his name, but he's one of the persons who's been disrespecting War Professa, so they gonna take it out. You already know what to do. Go!
My dog's loud when they bark. Use a crack pussy bitch like Tina Chick. That's trademark. As I pull up when they bark. My future bright, but my thoughts they dark. So play smart fish, nigga, you gay hard. Guns go off, this nigga is a rookie. I put you 6 feet deeper than Tina's pussy. Got you running for your life when I'm busting it. Got your bitch like, ooh, when I'm fucking it. And when I'm talking, don't ever speak. Y'all nigga cornier than the gully and the gossip beef. What, nigga? Rap a lot, nigga. What, nigga?
Yeah, I'm fucked up in the head, yes. I cut it off of you, you're headless. You're not considered niggers, you're more like empress. I still blow you to pieces if you wear 10 vests. You get killed in the worst way. And you got disrespected by your bitch on your birthday. With some residue pussy, you're shooky. Bitch said you was corny and your mouth big. If it was me, that bitch wouldn't even live to see another day. Looking at you is like looking at another day.
Is that a nipple ring, son? Yeah, a nipple ring.
Pussy make me tell you this. Feel me gun no prejudice. Kill black, white Jews and Pakistani terrorists. Shot pierce through him nipple ring. Fuck up him health. Mr. Body look like me I forgot war myself. Yeah, pussy, you know gangster. The links chop off. Papa, you suck pussy mouth for locker.
Hold on, let me take another picture because I'm rich. I'm making billions right now. Yo, what I'm just talking. Yo, man, don't kick out my nipple ring. Yo, man, don't kick out my nipple ring. Yo,
Stop what? Who won the battle? You already know, box. Don't move your face. Check out part 18. Coming up next. Quote of the day. It only costs about $295 to protect your business.
Yo, grab her leg, son. Grab her leg. Damn, son. Fucking bitches, heavy. Yo, you really think she trademarked that shit? She ain't trademarked shit. Let's go. Lying ass bitch. Let's get out of here.